What's up, YouTube? Back again with another video. Today we're going to be unboxing a water bottle, basically. Yeah, water bottle. It's a Memo water bottle, to be exact. It's the stainless steel one. These are new. I got this in Kickstarter like a little bit more over a year ago, like in 2021, late 2021, and it just came. I didn't even know it was coming, so that's cool. I got like no track information. It just tapped on my door, and I was like, oh damn, it's finally coming. They did say it was gonna release around this time of year, so we finally got it. And then we got the cleaning tabs. I think they gave us this for free because it got delayed. Well, they gave me one for free because it got delayed a couple months. So we're gonna be unboxing this, and this is the stainless steel one. I have the other one, this plastic one, which is pretty dirty, but it's this one. They're used to just making these plastic ones, very heavy duty plastic. Usually comes with a black and white cap, just heavy duty plastic, small bottle, nothing crazy. But they came with a stainless steel one, so let's check that out. Oh, don't need a knife. I didn't even check that. Oh, you guys want to see the packaging? Just pretty basic, nothing crazy. Design flat to go anywhere you go. Essentially about the water bottle, ABV free, hot and cold liquids. Dishwasher safe, 304 stainless steel, the dimensions. So thank you, design instructions. If you want to read that, nothing crazy. This side, I did get the 17 ounce. I wanted to actually carry it. What is this? Is this some more cleaning? Yeah, I guess this is another clean tab. So they come with 4. I guess just in the packaging, and this is just a side thing. And that's that. Check it out. I did get it in black, if you can see. It's right here. Images. And then there's this again. It's just more cleaning tabs. Shows you how to clean it. And get into this. Alright, let's start unboxing this one now. Start out the bag. My bad, the flash fell. Down a little bit. Just plastic. Yeah. This is it right here. Oh, you can see stainless steel, so just the water thing. My fingerprints. Just that. There's the front. A6 Memo bottle. It's nice. Feels sturdy. I do have a Horchata flask, so I'll see how it compares. Pretty cool. It does fit anywhere. I also do wear sling bags, which is, this is also like the same material as this, if you're wondering. I do wear sling bags, so I wanted to get, you know, a water bottle that I could put inside. It's sleek, and this fit the picture, stainless steel. And I just wanted to back them in Kickstarter to see how a stainless steel water bottle would feel compared to the plastic one. So this is the plastic one. I think this is 7 ounces. If I'm correct. This is A7. They do make this one in stainless steel. They have multiple sizes. They have like taller ones, bigger ones. They do have an A7 stainless steel one, but I want to go a bit bigger because 17 ounces is like a good water bottle as opposed to 7 ounces. Size comparison. Yeah, I wonder if they're, just for curious, I want to see if they're interchangeable. I don't know why you would want to change them, but oh, they're not. They're also different models, so maybe that's why. But yeah, I mean, it's nice, as you can see. That's pretty basic water bottle, all black, black and white. Put this to the side, and let's just unbox this, which it should just be more of these, but it says a 6-month supply. So let's just take a look. There's instructions right there if you want to read them, what they're made out of. But yeah, there you go. Here's just more of them. So they gave us another 4. So yeah, I guess the packaging is different because these come with a bottle and this comes with its own packaging. But yeah, I mean, should be cool. I got so many now. I can have an infinite 6-month supply to clean water bottle. But put this away real quick. well, I hope you enjoyed the video. Again, just sum it up. It's water bottle, stainless steel. Memo bottle. This is the A6 model, 17 ounces, I believe. Feels nice. Compared to this hydro flask that I have next to me, I would say this feels like a little bit more bumpier, which, you know, it's cool, grippier. It's probably also because it's newer, but it should keep your drinks as the same thing, you know, hot and cold, because it's stainless steel. Hopefully it doesn't chip as bad, or paint doesn't wear tear like that. And you know, thank you for watching my video again. Goodbye.